Hi, I'm Uncle K. Welcome to my channel. I want to help people who want to learn Korean. I will try to explain easy and understandable. So don't give up and let's try. This time we will study how to make Korean sentence. Before we start, we can check some words. Here, 나, 니은, 나 has meaning I. 너, 니은, 너 has meaning you. And 사랑 has meaning love. 시옷 사 리을 이응 사랑. Okay, let's start it. Here is an example sentence. I love you. In English, I love you. I is subject, love is verb, you is object. This is order of English. So when you make a sentence in Korean, 나는 너를 사랑해. 나는 I is subject, 사랑해 verb is here, and in the middle 너를 object. So main difference between English and Korean is the order. So in English, subject, verb, object. But in Korean, subject, object, and verb. The thing is, verb is the last order. So just remember it. It is the Korean sentence order, S-O-V. Okay, we can practice sentence. 나는 너를 사랑해. I love you. 나는 너를 사랑해. 너는 나를 사랑해. You love me. 너는 나를 사랑해. 그녀는 나를 사랑해. She loves me. 그녀는 나를 사랑해. 그는 너를 사랑해. He loves you. 그는 너를 사랑해. Okay, here 나, I, 너, you, 사랑해, love, 너, you, 나, I, 사랑해, love. So 그녀 is she, and 그 is he. Okay, here is checkpoint. We try to make sentence in Korean, so we use the word 나, 너. 나 is I, 너 is you. So this is basic form 나, 너. It's noun. So when we want to make a noun as a subject form, we can just add 는 or 은. We can just add 은, 는. So 나 and add 는. 나는. It's subject form. And 너, just add 는, 너는. So 나는, 너는. This is topping marker. 은, 는 is topping marker. Okay, here is another example. 부모님. It has meaning parent. 부모님. 부 is father. 모 is mother. 부모님 is parents. So we can make subject form adding 은. 부모님은. Another example, it's just a random name, Jack. Jack, making subject form, 잭은. Yes, I said just adding 은 or 는, we can make topic subject. This is 은, 는 is the topping marker. So you're probably curious about when we use 은 or when we use 는. It's very simple and easy. 나, 너. It doesn't have 받침. In that case, just add 는. 나는, 너는. So here 부모님, Jack. At the last, it has a 받침 here. Jack has a 받침 too. So 부모님 은, Jack 은. Very simple, right? because if we use 은 here, you can compare this together. 나은, 나은, 나는, more natural. This one is more clear. If we use 부모님는, okay, 부모님는, it's not natural. It's a little bit harder to pronounce. So if there is a 받침, just use 은. So you can say 부모님은, 잭은. If there is no 받침, you can just add 는, 나는, 너는. Another thing is you can read it 나는, 너는. 부모님은, 잭은. Not like this. 부모님, this 미음 goes to here. 이응 is silent. So you can just read like this. 부모님, 님은. This 미음 goes to here because this 이응 is silent. Same thing happened at here also. 잭은. You can write like this, but read it 잭은. Not difficult, right? 나, 너, 나는, 너는. 부모님, 부모님은, 잭, 잭은. So it's very similar like I love you. When you read it, I love you. We are not read I love you. When you pronounce just naturally, I love you. So the sound is combined together. Love you like this. 부모님은, 잭은. It's easy, right? Here is another checkpoint for making object form. It's very similar. There is object marker 을 and 를. Just adding 을 and 를. Here is 나, 너. Make object 나를, 너를. Here is 부모님, 부모님을, 잭, 잭을. Same thing happened, right? 나를. Here we are using 를 because there is no 받침 here. 나 and 너 doesn't have 받침. 부모님, 잭, there is a 받침. So we using 을. 을. Here 나, 너 doesn't have 받침. Just use 를. 나를, 너를, 부모님을, 잭을. So here also same. Here we use 을. So this 미음, when you read it, goes here. 부모님을. And also 잭을. Got it, right? Okay, let's practice. 부모님은 나를 사랑해. 부모님은 나를 사랑해. My parents love me. 나는 부모님을 사랑해. I love my parents. 나는 부모님을 사랑해. 잭은 너를 사랑해. 잭은 너를 사랑해. Jack loves you. 나는 제인을 사랑해. 나는 제인을 사랑해. I love Jane. 제인은 잭을 사랑해. 제인은 잭을 사랑해. Jane loves Jack. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. For your practice, I will leave slides on my Google Class. You can freely download it. And please subscribe and like my video. Thank you. See you next time.